On high heat, add some sunflower oil and the rice and keep stirring so it doesn't burn, but we just need to give it a slight lift. I normally keep stirring for a minute or two. Now pour some hot water to reach about 1 centimeter above the rice. Carry on stirring. The water needs to keep boiling until you add the salt and lemon juice. Add a good pinch of salt. Now that it's boiling, add a squeeze of lemon juice. Lower the heat to the lowest possible setting you have, then cover and leave for 17 minutes. After 17 minutes, check on the rice, take a fork or a spatula and start fluffing it. As you can see, the rice is cooked beautifully and they're all separated.